Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top-load washing machine. First, begin by sorting your laundry into appropriate piles, separating whites from colors and delicate items from heavier ones. Open the lid and gently place your sorted clothes loosely around the central agitator or impeller. Be careful not to overfill the tub. Ensure there's at least 6 inches of space from the top rim to allow for proper water circulation and effective cleaning. Next, it's time to add your cleaning agents. For most loads, use about 2 tablespoons of high-efficiency detergent, adjusting for larger or dirtier items. If your machine has a dispenser, pour the liquid detergent there. Otherwise, add it directly into the tub before your clothes. If you use fabric softener, pour 1 capful into its specific dispenser, ensuring it doesn't directly touch your garments. Now, let's select the right settings for your wash. Turn the dial to choose a cycle that suits your laundry, like normal for everyday items or delicates for fragile garments. For water temperature, cold water is often sufficient and energy efficient, but hot water can be used for heavily soiled whites. You might also select an extra rinse option for very dirty loads. Finally, with your clothes loaded and settings chosen, it's time to start. Close the lid firmly. The machine will not operate if it's open. Press the start button, and you'll hear the water begin to fill the tub. Once the cycle is complete, which typically takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour, promptly remove your clean laundry to prevent wrinkles and prepare for drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.